So it's supposed to storm this afternoon, like 6 o'clock. It's supposed to get a lot of hail, wind, and a lot of good stuff, you know, just basically what a summer severe thunderstorm consists of. So we're putting some vehicles away now so that they don't get hailed out and everything's protected. So we got to move some stuff in this shop here, and then we're gonna get some things tucked away. All right, so we got 2 vehicles. We got some chickens. Dog is gonna get out of here. Just barely squeaked her in. All right, guys, got our little Ford Ranger in the shed there. I got Dad's work pickup in that shed there. We got 2 cars in that shed there. The tractor, we don't want to unhook it, and it won't fit in this open face shed. So we've got the backhoe in there, one of our older tractors, our 3020 in there, or not the backhoe, the Bobcat in there. And Dad's hauling pears right now. So when he gets back from hauling pears, he's gonna unhook the horse trailer down in that open face shed where you guys have seen us pull the horse trailer out of before. So he's gonna unhook the horse trailer down there. Then he's gonna pull the truck in beside the Bobcat here. We don't know for sure if the hail's gonna hit us or not, but it's better to be safe than sorry anyways. So we just want to make sure everything's good and nothing gets hailed out anyway. So yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so last night we got 80 hundredths, just a little under an inch. So for the whole weekend so far, today's Saturday. So Thursday night, yesterday, and then last night, we've gotten like 2 inches so far this weekend. So that's awesome. Stuff's still green, and hopefully it's gonna stay green. Hopefully the creek's gonna keep running and stuff like that. So it's always nice to see some rain. So we kind of had everything tucked away last night, as we showed you guys, because there was supposed to be some hail. And we didn't end up getting any hail. We just got a good amount of rain. So we're gonna go ahead and pull some stuff out that we had tucked away from last night. I think Dad and Cole are gonna go check some pears, or go over there to the summer pasture where all our pears are right now, and they're gonna go check on them today, see how much rain we got over there, and see how the dams look and how the grass is growing over there, just see how the cows are doing overall. last weekend we ended up getting like a little over 2 inches of rain, and we're pretty much done haying now. We're just kind of waiting for it to dry out a little bit so we can finish haying what we've already got cut, and then we're not going to cut anything else, maybe just a little bit, but we're pretty much done haying for the year, for the summer anyway. We've got pretty much all the hay we need to get through winter, or what we figure we need to get through winter, so we won't have to buy any anyway. So the rest of our hay ground will just graze. So yeah, we're gonna pick a winner for the hat. We did a spin, and we spun, randomly selected, and well, his username on Instagram is Buttersman, but well, what's the exact username?
Buttersman205.
Buttersman205 is the winner. So we're gonna go ahead and DM you, Buttersman, and we'll get your address and we'll send you your free hat. To everybody else, thanks for entering. We'll probably have another giveaway sometime. I don't know. So we'll figure that out when the time comes anyway. But with that, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We hope to see you all next time.